Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Metapixel with Shopify for remarketing, complete guide step by step clearly. To install Metapixel with Shopify for remarketing, start by logging into your Shopify admin panel. In the left sidebar, click on Online Store. Next, select Preferences from the drop-down menu. Scroll down to the Facebook Pixel section. If you haven't set up a Facebook or Meta account, create one by following the prompts. Once your account is ready, return to the Shopify preferences. You will need your Metapixel ID, which can be found in your Meta Ads Manager. Open a new tab and log into your Meta Ads Manager. In Ads Manager, click on Events Manager from the main menu. Select Pixels from the left sidebar. Here, you will see your pixel details. Copy your pixel ID. Return to your Shopify Preferences page and paste your Pixel ID into the designated field. After entering your Pixel ID, save your changes at the bottom of the page. Now, head back to your Meta Ads Manager. Click on Add Event and choose from the Pixel option. Select the events you want to track, such as page view, add to cart, or purchase. Follow the prompts to complete the event setup. Once your events are configured, return to your Shopify store to ensure the Pixel is functioning. To do this, use the Metapixel Helper browser extension to verify your Pixel installation. Install the extension from the Chrome Web Store if you haven't yet. Open your Shopify store in a new tab and click on the Metapixel Helper icon. You should see a green check mark indicating that your Metapixel is active. If everything is set up correctly, you are ready to start remarketing to your customers. Regularly check your Pixel data in the Meta Ads Manager to monitor performance. That's it. You have successfully installed Metapixel with Shopify for remarketing. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.